Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Alright, so right now we are at the winning products part of using Spocket. So you can click on the winning products over here. Pretty simple. And you can see right here, winning products for each different country. So winning products US, winning products UK, Europe, Canada, Brazil. And so these are the winning products. And let's say that you want to find winning products in Brazil, right? So like we said, Brazil is a good country for e-commerce, remember? You can see right here that this is a product that works really well in Brazil, men fashion casual. All right, so let's go and find products for United Kingdom, right? So here are some winning products, right? So these things also, and you can see that you can add them directly to your store very easily. And people can come to your store and they can order them. Also, I kind of like this one, Cat Tunnel Interactive. So let's just go to this product here. Let's just add to import list, and let's go and visualize it on the import list. Right, so it's being added. Normally when it's added, I should be able to see number 3 over here. It should increment by 1 because I already have 2 other products there. So I'm going to click my import list. I mean, it's just a cool product. All right, so it was added. So here's the product. Here are some images. All right, interesting. So this is a very, very interesting product. No wonder why it is selling right now. So maybe this could be a winning product. Who knows? I mean, a lot of people have cats and they love their cats. And so you could actually make some good money with this. The only issue with this product is, I believe, the profit margin, because the product's price is at $16, as they say over there, right? 19, I'm sorry. So at $19, it costs you $19. Normally you should price this product at $40 if you really want to make any money from it. And I don't think, well, maybe they can pay $40. Cat lovers, they will pay. And so these are the products over here. And you can filter them. So you can also filter these products and sort by price from low to high. But the only issue here is that you cannot filter products by category. Okay, so you can only see the winning products, but you cannot filter them by category. But it's pretty interesting. It's pretty interesting to have this. And there's not much of them, right? So these winning products are here, and there's not a lot of them, right? So it's just a list. Maybe you can use all of them. Maybe you can dropship all of them if you have a store, a multi-dimensional store. Now, of course, this is all for Spocket. I can show you as a bonus here the orders. So when somebody or when a customer has an order, you can see over here, if you come to this place or to this, you click on the orders button, you can come here and you can basically look at the orders and the status of the orders, where the order is was it shipped, how many days are left, what is the price for the costs, the customer, how much you're going to make. So you can see all of these information here on this order page. Unfortunately, we don't have any orders, but this will be all for Spocket. I hope this was a good automation tutorial for you, and let's move on right now.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.